Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Ads conversion tracking for affiliates, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Google Ads conversion tracking for affiliates, first, sign in to your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu located in the upper right corner. Under the Measurement section, click on Conversions. In the conversion screen, you will see a list of your existing conversion actions. To update an existing conversion action, click on its name. Review the settings for the conversion action you want to update. You can adjust parameters such as the conversion name, value, and count method according to your needs. If you're adding a new conversion action, click the blue plus button to begin the setup process. Select website as your conversion source. Fill in the necessary details, including the conversion name and category. Set the value for your conversions, choosing either a fixed amount or a variable value. Specify the counting method, either every or one, depending on how you want to track conversions. Next, set the conversion window, which defines the time frame in which conversions are counted after a click. Scroll down to the Tag Setup section to decide how you want to implement the tracking tag. Choose between using Google Tag Manager or manually adding the tag to your website. If you opt for manual tagging, copy the provided code into your website's HTML. If using Google Tag Manager, follow the prompts to create a new tag. Once you have configured the tagging solution, click Create and Continue. You will have the option to track additional conversion actions if desired. After reviewing all settings, click Done to finalize your updates. To confirm that your conversion tracking is working, use the Tag Assistant Chrome extension. Finally, monitor your conversion data regularly to ensure accuracy and make adjustments as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.